Let's do some candy cane makeup. Going in with a few layers of Elmer's glue, set in with some translucent powder, and then cover it up with some concealer, setting it with that translucent powder again. I've marked out my brow shape. I'm just going in some white face paint to fill it in. Okay, so I'm just doing like hair strokes all the way through. Now I'm going in with some red paint to do the red lines. Lines in the middle, lines at the end. I put this white eye base down first all over my lid. And this is the eye look that I'm going for. Let me show you how I did it. So I put red in my inner corner going into my crease, and I'm slowly tapping outwards. I've created a new lash line along my lower lid. Then I'm bringing it out into a wing. Blend it out even more. And with black on my inner corner again, going into my crease. And I'm gonna go along the red line in black as well. Doing a white wing liner. On hand, stay steady. I'm going in with foundation. Again, feeling brave, so I'm going in with a bit of a white concealer too. Oh, it's actually blending out nice. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Heavily contouring my nose because I want that cute little button nose. Adding some red powder blush. White eyeshadow to bring back some of that highlight. Adding some white freckles. Do some bottom lashes using that white face paint. Add in a mix of red and black eyeshadow around my lips. Add some red lipstick. Going in with the cream paint stick on my neck. Blend, 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 blend. I've marked out my red lines. Hopefully they look good when I fill them in. Setting all of that with a white translucent powder again. I'm trying to put my lenses on now before I do my eyelashes. I don't know if to go with white or red. Come on. Oh, I did it, I did it. Whew. Now for the white. Here we go. Oh. I painted another pair of lashes red, and I'm going to stick these right on top of the white ones. I need to put on this wig and add some finishing touches, so who's ready to see the end result? Here's the end result, guys. I went with the white contact lenses. I am obsessed. I made the headpiece myself. Round of applause. I made a YouTube Shorts tutorial on how I made this headpiece. I've linked it in the description for you guys. The white did turn out kind of patchy, which is really annoying. I tried to layer it up as much as I could, but I know you guys are always super honest with me, so comment and let me know what you think of this candy cane look. How did I do? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Time to go wipe this off. Bye.